Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Silverado LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9782XX. 78,000 miles on the Silverado. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tungsten metallic in color. Silverado is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 6 with a leather interior. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, along with backup camera, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate and spray and bed liner for easy cleaning as well as protection. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats, cup holders and storage, and the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes. Overhead, auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3-liter V-8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and the city average of 22 on the highway and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.